Understanding Job Losses, a guide for English learners. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to dive into a phrase that's commonly heard in news and daily conversations, especially in the context of the economy and employment. The phrase is job losses. We'll break down what it means, how to use it in a sentence, and the context in which it might come up. So, whether you're learning English for work, for your studies, or just to polish your language skills, this video will clarify an important concept for you. Let's get started. The phrase, job losses, refers to the elimination of jobs or positions in a company, industry, or economy. This is often due to businesses closing, cutting back on staff, or other economic factors that reduce the number of available jobs. It's important to understand that job losses is always used in the plural form because it refers to more than one job being lost. When a single person loses their job, we say they've been laid off or made redundant. But when many people lose their jobs, we talk about job losses. This term is often seen in reports and articles discussing the economy. Job losses can be used in various contexts. Economic news. The recent economic downturn has led to significant job losses in the manufacturing sector. Corporate announcements. The merger of the two companies is expected to result in job losses for around 200 employees. Political debates. The new policy has been criticized for its potential to cause job losses in the coal industry. It's a term that can often carry a negative connotation, as it is associated with people losing their source of income and the challenges that come with it. To help you understand how to use the term, here are a few examples. The recession caused massive job losses across the country. Technological advancements have led to job losses in industries that rely heavily on manual labor. The company's overseas relocation resulted in significant job losses at its current headquarters. Notice how the term is integrated into sentences to discuss the broader impact on the workforce and the economy. Understanding synonyms and related terms can expand your vocabulary. Here are some synonyms for job losses: downsizing, layoffs, redundancies, cutbacks, workforce reduction. While all these terms relate to the concept of losing jobs, they each have specific nuances and are used in slightly different circumstances. We hope this video has shed light on the meaning and usage of the phrase, job losses. Remember, it's a plural term often reflecting a wider economic or corporate change. By understanding such phrases, you can better comprehend news stories, participate in conversations on these topics, and enrich your English vocabulary. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more language learning content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.